residents along the Florida coast are bracing for the potential devastation as Hurricane Milton approaches. With the storm gaining strength and the possibility of reaching Category 3 status, the National Hurricane Center has issued warnings for multiple counties. Authorities are urging residents to prepare for possible evacuation and to stay updated on the storm's progress. Memories of past hurricanes like Helene are serving as cautionary tales, reminding people to be vigilant and ready. The unexpected intensification and westward shift of Milton have put even more communities at risk. Meteorologists are closely monitoring the storm's path, considering how atmospheric conditions and ocean temperatures could impact its trajectory and strength. Despite the uncertainty, the potential for a significant disaster looms over the region.